Oh, it's only 700? 2 bedroom, 1 den, 2 full washroom, and it's fully renovated next to downtown Toronto in the amazing community of Scarborough. Oh man, you are not going to miss this listing. Do you know which is the 4th largest shopping mall in Canada? You guessed it right. We are standing at Scarborough Town Centre with more than 250 shops, more than 750 brands and lot of eat-in options with Cinemaplex at one place. And this is just walking steps from our next listing. This location is perfect for working professionals or growing families as it's well connected to downtown Toronto with TTC service, which is just walking steps from here, and that service runs every 5 minutes. Further, you are just 5 minutes from Centennial College by bus, and it's well connected to University of Toronto Scarborough campus. Let me show you this beautiful place. Why not start this tour with this brand new upgraded kitchen. This comes with quartz countertop with matching backsplash, MDF glossy white kitchen cabinets and soft close. Further, we have this so much practical double sink with black plumbing fixtures, and don't miss this French door, refrigerator, brand new stove. From this kitchen, we enter into this amazing spacious living area. This being a bigger condominium unit, there is a separation of living and dining space. Here you can enjoy your family food and have fun time. Plus it comes with all the new lighting fixtures, and don't miss this chandelier. The most incredible part of this home that I loved is this den suite, which comes with big window and it gives lot of natural light coming into the home. Further, it have this private door, so you can use this place as a guest suite or as an private area for your work from home and enjoy reading the books. Hold on, wait for a second. Let me read this book and then you can capture. Okay, thank you. Oh, we focus too much about this den. I really forgot to tell you that this condominium comes with 2 spacious bedroom and this den and 2 full washroom. I have never seen such a spacious primary bedroom in recent of all my listing. You can see it's such a spacious thing with a big window and your private view. Plus it comes with a walk-in closet and an ensuite 3-piece washroom which is fully upgraded with new vanity, with new lighting fixtures, plumbing fixtures, toilet seat and these light bulbs. Let's move from those bulbs into this second bedroom, which can be used as a kid space, as a guest space, and further it comes with a big sliding closet, and don't miss this big windows with your own private views. If you are looking something which is very close to downtown, next to shopping mall, groceries, foods, and right on 401 highway, well connected to college, university, schools, and full of all the amenities, do contact our team for exclusive showing of this listing.